A very good morning to all my dear students. I am Sania Sethi, your science teacher. So in a previous video, we had started chapter number 2, solids, liquids and gases. So today we are going to continue with this chapter and the topic we are going to discuss is water. So let's study about it. So students, let us discuss about water. Water is a wonderful liquid. We humans use more and more water every year and we use it every day for various purposes. Humans use around 190 liters of water every day. Students, do you know 2/3 of the water used in a home is used in the bathroom? We use about 7.5 to 2.5 liters of water to flush a toilet. So as you know, water is a very valuable natural resource. So we should all pledge to save water. So students, do you know, like other materials, water also changes its form from one form to another. Water can change from solid, that is ice, to liquid, that is water, to gas, that is water vapor. So water can change its form in 4 ways: melting, evaporation, freezing and condensation. So let us discuss them one by one. First we will discuss about melting. When a solid changes into a liquid, it is known as melting. Here you can see ice. When ice melts, it changes into water. Now let us discuss about evaporation. The process by which water changes into gas is known as evaporation. You all must be taking steam at home these days. So what do? You put some water in the steamer and the steam comes out. Here you can see this steam is the water vapor. Now let us discuss about freezing. When a liquid changes into solid, on cooling, it is known as freezing. Like when you keep water in your freezer, it changes into ice. Now let us discuss about condensation. The process by which a gas changes into liquid on cooling is known as condensation. Like I had shown you the steam coming out of the steamer. Now I have covered the steamer with a plate. Now let me pick up this plate to show here. You can see this water. So the water on cooling, the gas that was coming out of the steamer, it has changed into water. Students, condensation experiment you can do at your home also. You can take a chilled can of juice and take it out of the freezer. Keep it at room temperature. After some time, what do you observe on the surface of the can? You will do this experiment and write in the comment box what were your observations. And this is your homework. Do the exercise, check your progress on page number 90 in the book only. And don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment your name and section in the comment box. Till then, take care.